Hello traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today's post-market analysis is going to be very interesting because our morning prediction, flat to negative market, matched almost perfectly with Nifty's real movement throughout the day. Morning prediction recap. This morning we analyzed global cues. Nifty SGX, slight positive. Negative. Asia, flat negative. Europe, strong negative. USD INR, flat positive. Crude, flat positive. And based on this, we clearly said, Nifty will remain flat to negative, upside move will be limited. Selling pressure may come near resistance zones. Now let's see exactly how the market behaved. Market opening behavior. At the opening bell, Nifty did exactly what we expected. There was no major gap up, no big bullish sentiment. It opened flat and showed mild weakness at the start. This confirmed our morning view that the market did not have the strength for a strong rally. Mid-session price action. From around 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., Nifty followed a sideways to slightly bearish pattern. Let's break it down. 1. Sideways consolidation. The chart shows Nifty was unable to break above major resistance levels. This confirms our analysis. Upside was limited. Sellers controlled every bounce. Though flat to negative trend. Even though the candles alternated between red and green, the overall trend remained flat. There was no strong rally, no breakout, exactly as predicted. Teen. Gradual recovery. Later post 2 p.m., Nifty started showing a mild pickup. This happens when short sellers book profits. FIIs reduce selling. Market stabilizes near support zones. This slight recovery still kept Nifty within our expected range. End of day movement. Towards the end of the session, Nifty closed around 26,014, which is slightly positive. Well within expected resistance zones. Still reflecting a flat to mildly positive tone. Not showing any trend reversal. This exactly matches our morning statement. Market will be flat with a slight negative bias, and any upside will be limited. How our prediction matched reality. Here's how the market behaved vs what we predicted. Prediction. Flat to negative actual. Flat throughout the day with mild strength later. Prediction. Upside resistance will hold. Actual, price struggled near resistance, no breakout. Prediction, selling pressure at the top. Actual, every bounce faced resistance. Prediction, market will stay range bound. Actual, Nifty moved in a tight range 25,930 to 26,020. This shows our pre-market analysis was highly accurate. Conclusion or what's next. So overall, today's Nifty movement behaved exactly as expected, flat, weak, and controlled by global cues. What to watch for next session. 1. Whether Nifty can break out above 26,052. Whether global cues remain weak. 3. Fee selling or buying pattern. 4. USD INR stability. 5. Bank Nifty behavior. If global markets remain weak, Nifty may again open flat on Monday. If global cues bounce, we may see momentum building above R1 levels. That's all for today's post-market analysis. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for daily pre-market and post-market videos.